Hello, this is Cleverly Clover and today I would like to show you how to cook eggy bread. The first thing we have to do is wash our hands before we make anything. So, you've got to scrub for quite a long time. So I'm going to just get a bit of water on and I'm going to scrub for quite a long time. And then we can go rinse our hands. Turn it off and we're going to go dry our hands. Dry them very well so that nothing's too slippery, because if you lose hold of something that won't be very good. Then we want to ask our parents if they can help us turn on the cooker. You want it at medium. If I just turn on to about 5. Now, what we want to do is go over to our eggs. You only need 1 egg. Crack it very carefully so that you don't get any eggshell in the bowl. Now you want to whisk it up. You can use either a whisk or a fork, whichever one you want to use. Now, you can add milk, you can add cinnamon, you can add tons of things, but I'm just going to keep it simple today and just do eggs. And you take a slice of bread, one will do, and you dip it in all the egg. And then you turn it over and you do the other side. Now we want to go over to the pan. You can just leave your bread in there. And we want to put on a bit of butter. Get a knife, just cut out a bit. If you're a bit too scared, just ask your parents to do this. And just let it cook down. Make sure you spread the butter around so that when you put the bread down, it doesn't stick to the pan. So, now we're going to get our eggy bread and we're going to just carefully put it down. Make sure you don't touch the pan when you do this because you could easily burn yourself. We're just going to wait for it to cook about 2 minutes. And then you can check. Sometimes it is a bit hard to just get with one, so I use 2. I'm gonna check it right now. Just get that under there. It looks quite ready, so I'm gonna flip it very carefully down. And now, as this part is cooked, you can pat down on it to try and speed it up. Sometimes it takes quite a long time, but you've just got to be patient. First thing you want to do before you take the eggy bread out is turn off the cooker. So I've done that. And then you want to take these 2 and very carefully get it out like this. Remember to tidy up any mess you make. You can have your eggy bread with anything you want. You can sprinkle cinnamon on it, have it with ketchup, syrup, whatever one you want. I like mine best plain. This is Cleverly Clover. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, please subscribe.